Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to the online teaching classes. This is your EVS teacher Mamta Dubey. In the previous class, we have started lesson number 4, Clothes We Wear. We will continue our lesson today, but before that, let us have a revise of the previous class. In the last class, we learned why we wear clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and dust. They also protect us from insect bites. People wear clothes depending on the place they live in, according to the seasons and the different work they do. Children, we also learned about different types of clothes. Like in summer season, when it is very hot, we wear cool clothes like cotton clothes, and we get this cotton from cotton plants. Cotton cloth is made by spinning and weaving cotton. In winter season, when it is very cold, we wear warm clothes. We get warm clothes from wool, and wool is made up of skin of animals like sheep and camel. We also wear silk clothes in winter, and we get silk from silkworm. Silkworm is an insect. Children, we wear leather clothes also in winter season. Leathers like Leather clothes like jackets, belts, shoes, bags, wallets, etc. And we get leather from animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats. During the rainy season, we wear raincoats or carry an umbrella. And these raincoats and umbrella are made from plastic or rubber. And we get this rubber from the rubber plant. Now, let us start our today's class. First, we will learn about fibers. Fibers can be natural or synthetic. Children, fibers are that thread from which clothes are made. It can be of two types. First, natural, or second, synthetic or artificial. First, we will come to know about natural fibers. Natural fibers are made from natural substances like cotton, jute, silk, and wool. Children, natural fibers are those which we get from the nature, like cotton. We get cotton from cotton plants, jute, silk, and wool. We get cotton from cotton plants, from the tree, from the plant, from the nature. We use jute to make ropes and gunny bags. Can you see in the picture? Gunny bags and ropes. We use jute from the jute plant. We use wool fiber to make sweaters and scarf. We get wool from sheep. We get silk from silkworm. Clothes are woven from silk fiber. So children, natural fibers are those fibers which are made from natural substances like cotton, jute, silk, and wool. And these products, cotton, jute, silk, and wool, we get from cotton plant, from jute plant, from silkworm insect, and wool from the skin of sheep and camels. Next come synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made. They are also called artificial fibers. Nylon, terylene, polyester are some man-made fibers. So children, natural fibers we get from the natural substances, and the synthetic fibers we get from the man-made products which the humans create, human made. They are also called artificial fibers. Some of the examples of synthetic fibers are nylon, terylene, polyester. You can see in the picture. Synthetic fibers are easy to wash. They dry easily and are not expensive. We should not wear synthetic clothes during summer and while cooking or lighting fireworks. These clothes catch fire easily and are not comfortable. They do not absorb sweat easily. So, children, synthetic fibers are easy to wash. You can easily wash the synthetic fibers at home. They get dry easily and are very cheap. They are not too expensive. But we should not wear synthetic clothes during summer season because it gives us hot, or while cooking or lighting fireworks because it catches fire easily and are not comfortable to wear during summer season because they do not absorb sweat easily. So synthetic fibers are not useful in the summer season. Now we come to know about two fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are made from natural substances like cotton, jute, silk and wool, and synthetic fibers are man-made. They are also called artificial fibers. Nylon, terylene, polyester are examples of some man-made fibers. Now we should know how to take care of our clothes. We should take proper care while washing our clothes. Some fabrics can be washed easily at home, but some fabrics need proper care. They cannot be washed with water. They are washed with petrol. This is called dry cleaning. Clothes should be washed regularly. We should wear clean and ironed clothes. Clean, well fitting clothes make us feel comfortable. So, children, we should take care of our clothes very properly. We should wash our clothes regularly. And some clothes are there which we can wash easily at home. But some clothes, its fabrics are taken proper care. They should be washed with petrol. And washing the clothes with petrol, this is called dry cleaning. You might be knowing that your mother's sari or your dress or your some heavy dress are given for dry cleaning. Why? Because they are not easily washable at home. And what is dry cleaning? Washing the clothes with petrol is called dry cleaning. Clothes should be washed regularly, and we should always wear clean and iron clothes because it keeps you smart and good looking. Clean, well fitting clothes make us feel comfortable. Now, I hope you have learned how to take care of your clothes. Now, let us revise some points of this chapter. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and dust. Cotton cloth is made by spinning and weaving cotton. Woolen clothes keep ourselves warm. We get silk from silkworm. We get leather from animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats. Fibers can be natural or synthetic. Natural fibers are made from natural substances like cotton, jute, silk, and wool. Synthetic fibers are nylon, terylene, and polyester. Washing clothes with petrol is called dry cleaning. So, children, in this chapter, Clothes We Wear, we learned why we wear clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and dust. We come to know about different types of clothes like cotton clothes, woolen clothes, silk clothes, leather clothes, and rubber or plastic clothes. We come to know about fibers, which is of two types, natural fibers, synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are made from natural substances like cotton, jute, silk, wool. Synthetic fibers are man made, they are also called artificial fibers. We also come to know about how we should take care of our clothes. So, children, I hope you have learned this chapter very nicely, and the question answers of this lesson you will get in our next video. Thank you.